So the Seacore range of rods is something really special. It's the first time at Nomad that we've worked on a range of rods that was specifically designed to be able to work in areas of the US and Australia. That's it. Ross and I brought together people like Matty Schultz, Dingo, got some really good guys to help us with the testing, the on-water stuff, and just getting feedback and input into the range of rods.
Holy dinosaur, buddy.
Oh, yes! Yes! Oh my God. Dinosaur snook with Dingo. This thing went 43. Absolute fish of a lifetime.
I dreamt of you catching a fish like that, mate. Congratulations.
Oh, thank you. Absolute fish of a lifetime. Could not be happier. Just thanks so much, mate.
Historically, it was left up to Damon and I to find the time to be able to sample certain things. Now we've got, an awesome base of pro team anglers in both the US and Australia that we can rely on to test, the Seacore range or anything else that we develop, and we can rely on them giving us real-world feedback, and we can make changes from that. So, as a group, we can develop products that make a difference and will stand out within the market.
Someone like Damon, who's fished his whole life and understands what goes into these products and how strong they have to be. There's so much product development which he puts into it because he just understands it. He's a fisherman. It's really simple, and he gets it, and he's caught all kinds of fish throughout the world. And then for me to be able to test his product, it's a really cool thing. Like, I looked up to him, and now I'm the one casting them, using them, bending them. It's a cool feeling.
Time on the water makes these products, what they are too. Like, you don't just go, oh yeah, that works, and put it out on the shelf. You've got to put the time and effort into it. Otherwise, you don't want to have something out there that doesn't work. And it crosses over. Like, what works here will work out on the reef to a certain degree, and will work in the States to here. So, it's not just one spot, one species. It's worldwide.
Feedback from guys that are out there all the time doing it, and I guess reinforcing what we're thinking. Ross and I put a lot of time and effort into getting the actions the way we wanted them.
Damon and I, took our time with sampling. We wanted to make sure that the blanks were right. And first and foremost, the blanks suit the Nomad range of lures. So what you'll find with a lot of the Seacore rod range is that the taper is still soft, but that tip section is quite stiff. So it's made to work twitch baits, jerk baits, things like mad scads, a lot of lures in our range.
There's no doubt there's people in America chasing tarpon, snook, grouper, the whole lot. And for me to come here and chase flats fish on the Barrier Reef, which are by far the hardest fighting fish, I reckon, in the world, and then to even go and target GTs with them, oh, this will test the rod. In my opinion, it definitely passed the test, hey. As a 30 to 50 pound rod, that is absolutely perfect.
To know that there's been such a great team effort behind that, and to just bring that together to create a range of products that works so well, looks good, and performs exactly how we want them to perform. It's just been a very satisfying process, and it's a range that we're just super proud of.
There you go, mate. There he goes. How good is that? That's awesome. It's once in a lifetime fish off the beach.